nothing but it is a inverse operation of decoder. So in encoder we discussed in last class, that is octal to binary encoder and decimal to BCD encoder. The last one is priority encoder. So priority encoder means a name indicates the priority is given to the input lines. Here we have to give the priority for the input line. D0 has the lowest priority and D3 has the highest priority. So here, if two or more input lines are high at the same time, if two or more input lines are high at the same time, that is one or at the same time, then the input line with higher priority shall be considered. So here, see here, these are the inputs and outputs. So there are 4 number of inputs means how many outputs? 2 power n, that is n outputs. So 2 power 2 is nothing but n value is 2. So it will produce the 2 outputs, that is y1 and y0. And also here V indicates as valid bit indicator. V indicates that valid bit indicator. So well, when the value will become 1 in V means if at least one input or more than one inputs are 1, the output of valid bit indicator as 1. If one at least one or more than one once unte, the valid bit indicator is becoming 1, otherwise 0. That is the valid bit indicator here. So V is nothing but valid bit indicator. So here series, it is a 4-bit priority encoder. Why? Because it is a 4-bit priority encoder. So we have to pass the 4 number of inputs and it will produce us the 2 outputs only. That is Y0 and Y1. So this is a 4-bit priority encoder. So in 4-bit priority encoder, so see these values. So 000, 001 and 00. Here at D1 only we have to place 1. So here D2, D3 must and should be 0. Here we make it as don't care condition. Either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. So here is a 4-bit priority encoder. So how many combinations is getting means totally 16 combinations. So how many combinations are required? 16 combinations. So see here at D2 no.
మామూలుగా 2 వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 4 కాంబినేషన్స్ కదా 5
Here we will give the how many inputs? Inputs 4. అంటే మనకి ఎన్ని కాంబినేషన్స్ రావాలి? Inputs lo combination, output means it will produce either y0 and y1. That is another issue. If inputs are 4, you will give how many combinations are required? Input and output totally different, man. Don't confuse. Inputs and outputs are totally different. So you have to give an inputs are 4. 4 inputs వస్తే ఏ కాంబినేషన్స్ లో ఇవ్వచ్చు అని నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నాను. ఎన్ని కాంబినేషన్స్ లో ఇవ్వచ్చు అంటే there are 16 combinations, right? So and ఏదో ఒక కాంబినేషన్ ఇన్పుట్ గా పాస్ చేస్తారు. Finally it will produce the y1 or y0 are the outputs. Y1 and y0 are the outputs. So outputs లో ఇక్కడ కాంబినేషన్ చూడండి at 00 in 1, here it will be don't care condition. Don't care condition means here either 0 అన్న రావచ్చు or 1 అన్న రావచ్చు. Here the value will becoming either 0 or 1. And ఇక్కడ combination name is 0010 and 1 plus just 0011. And how many combinations here? 2 combinations. So our 2 combinations ke output y10 and y0 is also 1. So here see here 2 don't care conditions. That means how many combinations? 4 combinations. Here 3. So 3 means how many combinations? 8 combinations. So 8 plus here any combinations? 4. 8 plus 4, 12. Here 2 combinations. 12 plus 2, 14, 15 and 16. So totally how many combinations will require? 16 combinations. On 16 combination you have to pass any one of the input and finally it will get the output. Is it clear? సో ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ మాత్రమే డోంట్ కేర్ కండిషన్స్ పెట్టమంటే ఈ వాల్యూస్ మాత్రం ఎంటీగా ఉంటాయి. See here at D1 we have to place only one, that is a one value, and D1 means we have to place at D1 only one. So D2, D3 are becoming 0 and this value indicates as don't care condition. Here we have to put don't care condition either 0 or 1, that is the value 0 0 1 0 is nothing but 2. You have to place 1 means 0 0 1 1 value is nothing but 3. And see here 0 1 don't care conditions. Here we have to put both are 0 means 4 and 0 1 means 5, 1 0 means 6 and 1 1 means 7. Like this we have to paste the combinations either 0 or 1. Is it clear? So ఇక్కడ valid bit indicator ఎందుకండి ఇక్కడ మాత్రం 0 వచ్చింది. So here all the inputs are 0, so the valid bit indicator also 0. At least that input combination at least one is there means at least one or more than one is there means we have to place this valid bit indicator as 1. So here 1, here also 1 is there, 1, so 1. So that's why we have to place here a valid bit indicator as 1. So this way we have to construct the truth table for 4-bit priority encoder. This is the 4-bit priority encoder. And next coming next one, see this. So there are 4 inputs, that is D0, D1, D2 and D3. And how many outputs we will require? So we got the outputs, 2 outputs, that is Y1 and Y2. So here see, so we how many k variable required means, so here 4 inputs. 4 inputs means which k variable k variable it will require, which k variable k map, which variable k map it will require. Can anyone respond? 4 inputs ఇస్తున్నామండి, ఏ k map యూస్ చేస్తాం? Four variable k map, right? So here we will use a 4 variable k map. So in 4 variable k map, so where you have to place mapping once means, see here. So here why not? So why not children? Why not? So why not? What to at 2 places there is a 1. At 2 places there is a 1. So that places we have to take it as combinations. That is here only one combination, that is was 2 combinations, that is 2 and 3, that is 1 0 1 1. Here 1 0 0, that is 5 6 4 5 6 7. Here vachi 2 3, here 2 3, here what are the values? See this, why not? Why not means 2 3. So see why not means 2 3 and remaining values here ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and here 2 values. So ఇక్కడ 3 combinations. So 3 combinations means how many values, how many combinations? 3 means 2 power 3, 8 combinations, right? 8 combinations is nothing but here the value will be 1 0 0 0 8, 1 0 0 1 9, 1 0 1 0 10, 1 0 1 1 11, 1 1 0 0 12, 1 1 0 1 13, 1 1 1 0 14, 1 1 1, all ones means 15. అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 డోంట్ కేర్ కండిషన్స్. ఆ 3 డోంట్ కేర్ కండిషన్స్ లో ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తాయి? 2 power 3 possibilities, and totally 8 possibilities. 8, 8 possibilities plus here 2 possibilities. Where that? Here 2 possibilities. That is 1, 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That places we have to place one and do the mapping. So here 2, 2, 11, sorry, 2, 3, and 8, 9, 11, 10, sorry, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14. So here we have to place the ones and do the mapping. So first there is a quad possibility or first oct possibility. If the oct possibility is there, yes, oct possibility is there. సో ఆల్ పాసిబిలిటీ చేస్తే మీకు వాల్యూ ఏమొస్తుందండి D3. అంటే ఇక్కడ మీ వాల్యూ సాల్వ్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ హియర్ క్వాడ్ పాసిబిలిటీ, సో up to, and here also quad possibility. So there is D2 D2 complement and D1, that is the y0 solution. And y1 కి మీరే అప్లై చేయండి అమ్మా. What is the y1? Draw the K map for y1. y1 కి K map డ్రా చేయండి. So D2 plus D3. So we have to take these combinations, that is 1 1. So here 4 combinations there, and here 8. So 8 plus 4, 12 combinations వస్తాయి. So 12 combinations ki we have to place ones and do the mapping, means will be quad oct possibilities. There are 2 oct possibilities, that is y1 is equal to D2 plus D3. So next, your valid bit is there. Draw the K map for valid bit also. Draw the K map for valid bit also. So from 1 to 15 values make as 1. Why? Because valid bit indicated from 1 to 15 as ones. So remaining value only except 0, remaining all values are placed 1 and do the mapping. And finally what you get the output for valid bit indicator. For valid bit indicator, what is the output? Here we have to find out the Boolean expression for outputs and valid bit indicator. Y0 plus y0, y1 and valid bit indicator. So y1 is equal to D2 plus D3 and y0 is equal to D3 plus D2 complementer and D1. And valid bit indicator is equal to V is equal to D0 plus D1 plus D2 plus D3. So this is the diagram. So here only I draw the y1 and y0. So y1 ante em cheppamandi, y1 is nothing but D2 plus D3. y1 is equal to D2 plus D3 and y0 is equal to D3 plus D2 complement into D1. Ante here first one AND gate and one OR gate required for this statement. One AND gate, one NOT gate and one OR gate. So he see here. So here D2 D2 complement. So D2 and here D1. So D2 ki complement ఇచ్చినాలంటే D2 complement and D1. So this is the AND gate and వచ్చిందాన్ని D3 plus that output. So it will go to the input to the this OR gate. And finally ఇక్కడ valid bit indicator draw చేయాలి అంటే we have to which gate will be required? OR gate. So OR gate కి ఏమేమి కనెక్షన్స్ వస్తాయండి? D0, D1, D2, D3 అని ఒక OR gate పెట్టి కనెక్షన్ చేస్తే that is nothing but here valid bit indicator. Is it clear how to construct the logic diagram for priority encoder? Yes,
madam.
so priority encoder. So one example. See, let us see one example for this. So here D3 value 0, D2 value 0, D1 value 1 and D0 value ఇక్కడ ఏముందండి don't care condition. Don't care condition means whether you have to pass 0 or 1, we will get the same value for y1 also 0 and y0 also 1. Yes, so here see, so same like this output on this input we will pass 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 1. So pass the outputs. One is 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 1. So what output we will get at the those input statement 0 1 0 1, that is మీరు డోంట్ కేర్ కండిషన్ కి either 0 అన్న పాస్ చేయండి ఆర్ 1 అన్న పాస్ చేయండి, ఫైనలీ అవుట్పుట్ మనకి ఎలా రావాలి either 0 y1 and y0 is 1. So apply here. So d3 d2 d1 d0. Okay. So what is the d3 value here? 0. D2 value 0. D1 value 1. D0 value 0. So D3 value 0. D2 value 0. D1 value 1 and D0 value 0. Apply these inputs first. So D3 0 and D2 also. What is the value D2?
0.
0. So D3 plus D2 ఏమండి y1 value is 0. Yes, y1 value is
Yes.
0. And here pass D2 complement. So D2 అనేది మనం 0 పాస్ చేసాం. సో కాంప్లిమెంట్ అంటే 1. సో D1 value also 1. 1 into 1 1 and D3 value 0.
0.
1 plus 0 1. So
1.
y1 వచ్చి 0 and y0 is 1. See here y1 is 0 and y0 is 1. Ante first you have to make it as don't care condition as 0. So if you apply again don't care condition as 1 for the same input, so apply the same input don't care condition as 1 ante d3 0, d2 0 and d1 1 and d0 1. So apply cheste again you will get the which output 0 and 1. So cross check once again here. So d3 0, d2 0, d1, what is the value d1? 1 and d0 1. So d3 is nothing but 0 and d2 is nothing but d2.
Zero's complement.
No?
0, ma'am.
0. So 0 plus 0, 1 0. See here in this d2 value 0, but it complement 1. 1 value d1 value 1. So 1 into
1.
1 and d0 value is also 1. So 1 plus 1 1 only. Both inputs are 1. The output of OR gate is 1. So y1 also 0, y0 also 1. So clear this statement how we will execute. Here don't care condition either 0 or 1 pass chesna మీకు same result. 0 0 1 0 pass chesna 0 1 and 0 0 1 1 pass chesna same output. Is it clear how it works in the logic circuit diagram? Is there is any doubt in priority encoder? Anyone respond? There is doubt in priority encoder. So priority encoder means this is the 4-bit priority encoder. You have to pass the 4 inputs and it will get the 2 outputs. So 4 inputs means there are totally 16 combinations. So like this only we have to place here don't pair conditions at the lowest levels. So and later we got this output, that is the only uh, four inputs means 2 power 2. That is two outputs it will produce, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So valid bit indicator inputs లో at least one లేకపోతే one key and more than one sunna, we have to place a valid bit indicator as 1. So and again you have to draw the k maps for y0 and y1. So where ones are placed in outputs, we have to take that input combinations and draw the k map. It required 4 variable k map and draw the k maps for y0, y1 and valid bit indicator. So valid bit indicator you can require, we got the boolean expression v is equal to d0 d1 d0 plus d1 plus d2 plus d3, and for y0 is equal to d3 plus d2 complement and d1, and y1 is equal to d2 plus d3. This is the concept of priority encoder. So if there is any doubts, decoders and encoders concept, decoders and encoders. Can anyone respond? If there is no doubts means I will continue the next topic. Decoders and encoders.
No doubts.
Okay. Okay, the next concept is multiplexers and demultiplexers. So multiplexers and demultiplexers. So multiplexer is a combinational circuit that selects the binary information from one of many input lines and it will go to a one single output line. So multiplexer is also a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line Okay, so here we have to use the data selector. Here we will use the data selector. Multiplexer is also called as a data selectors. How many data selectors is required means, suppose you have to pass the 2 power n input lines and there is a n selection lines. Suppose you have to pass 8 inputs lines అనుకోండి. So how many data selectors it will be required means 2 power n, that is 2 power 3. 3 data selectors is required. So I will share the screen. Multiplexers. The next concept is multiplexers. Multiplexer is nothing but it is a digital circuit or it is a combinational circuit. We have to pass multiple inputs and it will produce a single output. I told you you have to select n number binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. So multiplexer is also known as data selector. Multiplexer is also known as data selector. So it select any one of the output selected at a time. It will be selected any one of the output, it will be selected at a time. The selection of one of the n inputs is done by the select inputs. So a multiplexer has n data inputs, that is multiple data inputs, and it will produce a only single output. How many selection lines it will require is nothing but 2 power n. So suppose for example, there are 8 input lines. So and it will produce only one output only. But how many data selections lines will be required? That is 2 power n. So 2 power n is nothing but n selection lines. 2 power n is nothing but 2 power n input lines and n selection lines it will require. So normally we have to take 2 power n input lines and we have to select the n selection lines. So if 8 inputs means 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 is nothing but 8 input lines. And how many selections lines it will require? 3 selection lines. So see here. This is the multiplexer. We have to pass n number of inputs and it will produce only one output. Here the selection inputs are there. That is nothing but data selectors. So here we have to, based on the selection line, we have to choose any one of the output only. So this is nothing but data inputs, and here we give the selection inputs and one enable input. So this is the block diagram of multiplexer. So multiplexer is nothing but it is a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. Normally we have to take 2 power n input lines, then how many selection lines it will require? N selection lines. So that is the concept of a multiplexer, introduction of multiplexer. Then, so what are the types of multiplexers? Here there are number of types. There are more number of, that is 2 to 1 multiplexer, 4 to 1 multiplexer, 8 to 1 multiplexer, 16 to 1 multiplexer. So 1, 2, and we have to pass number of inputs. Finally we got only one output. And here 2 to 1 multiplexer. 2 to 1 multiplexer. In 2 to 1 multiplexer, 2 to 1 multiplexer, we have to pass two inputs. That is 2 power 1. So how many selection lines it will require? Only one selection line. Next, 4 to 1. 4 to 1 multiplexer. 4 means 2 power 2. So how many selection line require? Two selection lines. Ante we have to combination, we have to form in the 2 power n combination. Next, 8 to 1 multiplexer. 8 means 2 power 3. How many selections lines will require? 3 selection lines. And next one is 16 to 1 multiplexer. How many selection lines will taken means 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. So there are 4 selection lines. So this is the concept of multiplexer. Is it clear? So we have to pass 2 power n number of input lines and it will produce us the only one output and n selection lines. So 2 to 1 multiplexer means only one selection line, 4 to 1 multiplexer means two selection lines, and 8 to 1 multiplexer is nothing but three selection lines, and 16-1 multiplexer is nothing but four selection lines. Is it clear? Are you with me or not? Inputs, and it will produce only one output. Here there is the selection line, that is yes is nothing but selection line. So here enable ante you have to enable this multiplexer. If enable is equal to 1, automatically enable this multiplexer. If enable is equal to 0 means deactivate. So here yes is nothing but selection line. If yes is equal to 0 and here D0 is the output. If yes is equal to 1, D1 is the output. So this is a 2 to 1 multiplexer. So if S is equal to 0, if S is equal to 0, D0 is the output. If S is equal to 1, D1 is the output. This is the 2 to 1 multiplexer block diagram and this is the truth table. And see, so here logic diagram, that is block diagram of that 2 to 1 multiplexer. Here only two inputs, that is D0 and D1, and one selection line and one selection line. So the selection values are either 1 or 0. either 1 or 0. So D naught value means normally we have to take so equal D naught value and this one is D1 value. So D naught and D1. So here this is the output value. So D naught is 0 and S value is 0. D naught value 0 and D1 value also assume that D1 value also D naught value 1 and D1 value 1. Assume that D naught value 1 and D1 value 1. So if S is